One of my favorite go-to dishes is any pasta dish. So I decided to make a rigafredo. That is rigatoni and alfredo. So let's get into it the lead way. To some scrambled ground chuck, I added some pasta sauce, celery salt, onion and garlic powder, pepper, Italian seasoning, salt, garlic paste, and a dash of Frank's hot sauce. Mix it until it's well incorporated like this. The Alfredo sauce is heavy cream, sour cream, parmesan, and mozzarella cheese, garlic paste, celery salt, Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder, pepper, salt, and parsley for razzle dazzle. Then we add in our cooked rigatoni noodles, cook around 5 minutes. To a sprayed baking dish, add the noodles, add mozzarella and Kobe Jack cheeses, then add the hamburger mixture, next followed by some shredded cheese. And some more parsley. Bake covered for 30 minutes and uncovered for 15 minutes. And bam, you have this Rigafraido pasta dish the lead way. Better make some.